Today is day 360 of web development, and I'm just going to, I don't know, I just want to do something really quick because it's late and I'm going to the beach tomorrow and I don't want to be tired. So, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna do it. I don't think I need the head, I'll just do the body. And what I'll do is I'll go to the CSS and just give the body a background of this color, and then I'll create like a div class box and give the box this color. And then I'll just center it in the middle. So justify content center centers it horizontally, and then the line item center centers it vertically. And these are, what do you call them? Flex properties, which can only be used if the display of whatever selector is set to flex. And this isn't, because this has to be 100%, not the width, the height. But then again, it's not this, it's the height that has to be 100%, or at least 100 VH. There you go. And then I would do border radius 20 pixels. And then maybe I'll do a hover effect that it would go, what am I saying? Relative from its previous position from the top -2 pixels. So when I hover over it, it goes 2 pixels to the top. And then I could also do something like, I don't know, I'll just write my name. And then I'll do the box, and I'll also give it a display of flex so that I can center my name at the center. And then actually maybe I will use a head tag just so I can get some fonts in from Google Fonts. So let me type my name. I need something bold. Or maybe I don't need something bold. This one looks like a really good one. Like for like a computer type website theme. So I'll get the link and copy it and then put it inside the head tag, and then I can get the CSS and copy it, and then go here and do box H1 and paste it in there. Yeah, I could also do font size 40 pixels, I guess. Whoa. Let me open it. I don't like it. I want something like fancy and elegant, and that's not it. So let's move on. Go back and try to find something that's really nice. So I'll take the reload. While that does that, I'm just gonna this thing is taking its sweet time. Alright, I'll do regular 400. Let me get rid of this one. And then did this thing figure itself out? New one. What's today? Well, that was the 14th. Whoops, that's not what I meant. Okay, and then here, just paste the colors. Right, back to this. Copy the link. Replace it here. And then go here and just replace this one. And maybe change this to 30. I think that's a little bit better. Alright, okay, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Bye.